Okay, just taking the dog for a walk down the creek, and yeah, it's probably about, I don't know, 5 o'clock or something in the afternoon, and there's the dog there. So anyway, I'll show you what I've got happening here. Righto, just gonna make a little tiny fire because the ground's wet. Had a bit of rain yesterday, well, two days of rain actually, so I'm going to use that little joist and bearer set up there to keep some oxygen under the fire on the wet ground. There's my tinder. Hopefully the dog, yeah. Okay, here's my little kindling pile. So I've got my little fine little sticks there. Then my next little size up. Then the next ones again. Then to the slightly bigger sticks. And I'm going to be using my 8-inch original ferro rod. It's probably not the best ferro rod in the world, but it works. And then I've got an Ontario Knife Company Navigator. This one is. I've got the... Can see this? Yeah. Okay, here we go. Nearly one and done. Snuff it on. Got a naughty dog that's barking at some horses, so I'm going to have to go attend to the dog. Anyway, I better get the dog. It's on private property barking at horses. Okay, let's go and investigate what my dog's doing. It's crossed the creek, gone over to someone's property, and barking at the horses. She doesn't like horses very much, my old girl. Jesse, come here! That's the horses. And there's my dog over here. Jesse, come here! Come on! Come on, you naughty little dog. What did I do, Daddy? What did I do? Hey, good girl. Okay, let's go. No, down here. Come on. Hey. Here's a little bit more of a creek. You can see it's slightly running. This is where the gold is, eh? No gold around here.
The naughty girl.
It's fucking dodgy.
There's a pipe and there's a pipe.
That's it. Look, we just uncovered this pipe. And then we found this other one. Just sitting here. It's an inlet manifold, I believe. Yeah. Funny what you find lying around the bush.